Many AirPod users experience one AirPod draining faster than the other. This common problem persists as of February 2026. This can be due to several factors. The primary earbud handles more processing and Bluetooth connectivity, battery degradation where one cell ages faster than the other, or even firmware bugs causing uneven battery drain. This video will show you how to fix it. AirPods use lithium polymer batteries, which are lightweight and rechargeable cells that power the wireless earbuds. The master earbud, usually the right one, manages Bluetooth connectivity and processing. It works harder than the slave earbud, causing it to drain battery faster. Features like active noise cancellation require extra processing power, which significantly increases battery consumption on the earbud handling this feature. Over time, batteries age and environmental factors like heat can cause one battery to degrade faster than the other, leading to uneven drain. A simple reset can often fix the problem. Place both AirPods in the charging case, close the lid, and wait 30 seconds. Then, open the lid, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. Repair your AirPods to your device. This recalibrates the Bluetooth connection and can resolve software glitches causing uneven drain. Note that Apple engineers recommend regular resets. The second solution is to check your charging protocols and clean the contacts. Start by ensuring your charging case is fully charged. Uneven charging can cause one AirPod battery to drain faster. Debris on contacts interferes with proper power transfer. Use the official Apple Lightning cable or MagSafe charger for optimal power transfer. Avoid third-party chargers, which may not provide consistent power. Clean the charging contacts on both the AirPods and inside the case with a dry, lint-free cloth. Wipe gently to remove any debris that could interfere with charging. After cleaning, both AirPods should charge evenly, preventing uneven battery drain. Keep your iPhone's iOS software updated. Apple often includes battery calibration improvements in iOS updates that help balance battery drain between your AirPods. To update iOS, go to your iPhone Settings app and check for available software updates. Install any updates to ensure you have the latest battery calibration features. For your AirPods firmware, connect them to your iPhone. Then navigate to Settings, General, About, and select AirPods. If a firmware update is available, it will install automatically while your AirPods are connected and charging. iOS 18 and later versions include enhanced battery calibration algorithms, and iOS 18.3 introduces a battery sync feature that ensures both AirPods discharge evenly. Adjusting your usage habits can significantly help prevent uneven battery drain in your AirPods. If you tend to use one AirPod more than the other, especially for calls, switch between them regularly to ensure both get equal usage. Turn off active noise cancellation or transparency mode when not needed, as these features consume extra battery power. Store your AirPods in a cool, dry place, away from extreme temperatures that can degrade battery life unevenly. Tech reviewers urge education on balanced usage to maintain optimal AirPod battery performance. If software fixes don't resolve the uneven battery drain in your AirPods, the issue might be a defective battery cell in one of the earbuds. Apple's self-service repair program allows you to replace individual AirPod batteries for just $49 each. This cost-effective option lets you fix the problem without replacing the entire AirPods set. For proper diagnosis and to explore repair options, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. This is especially important if your AirPods are still under warranty. According to Apple's Q1 2026 report, battery-related issues account for 30% of all AirPods repairs. Looking ahead, future AirPod battery technology focuses on advanced solutions. Software-centric fixes, like AI-driven diagnostics in iOS, will proactively balance battery drain between earbuds. Apple's sustainability efforts will introduce more recyclable batteries with extended lifespan through improved firmware updates. By 2030, graphene-enhanced batteries are expected to deliver uniform drain and significantly faster charging capabilities. These innovations promise more reliable and eco-friendly AirPod experiences.